In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize a blog. If you've been pouring your heart and soul into creating content, it's time to start seeing some returns for your hard work. There are several ways to turn your passion into profit, and today we'll explore some of the most effective methods. The best strategy for you will depend on factors like your niche, the size of your audience, and the type of content you specialize in. So let's dive into these strategies, starting with one of the most popular routes. First up, let's talk about Google AdSense. For many bloggers, this is one of the simplest ways to begin earning money. The key to success here is to lay a solid foundation. Start by creating high-quality, original content that engages and informs your audience. It's also crucial to have the essential pages on your blog, such as About, Contact, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Service. These not only help in building trust with your audience, but are also often required for AdSense approval. Aim to have at least 15 to 30 useful articles published on your blog. Once you've got this set up, you can apply for Google AdSense. If approved, you can place ads on your blog, and you'll earn money every time a visitor views or clicks on these ads. Next, let's explore affiliate marketing, an excellent way to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Think of it as recommending products to your audience that you truly believe in and earning a reward for it. Some popular affiliate programs to consider include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Impact, and PartnerStack. To incorporate affiliate links naturally into your posts, consider writing detailed product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, or even crafting best-of articles. This not only informs your readers, but also subtly integrates your affiliate links into relevant content. As your blog starts to gain traction, you might attract offers for sponsored posts. Brands may approach you to feature their products or services in your content. To be an attractive option for sponsors, focus on building consistent traffic to your site. You can also create a media kit that showcases your blog's reach and demographics, providing potential sponsors with an at-a-glance view of your influence. Don't shy away from reaching out to companies within your niche that align with your blog's focus. Proactive engagement can often lead to fruitful opportunities. Lastly, but certainly not least, selling digital products can be a lucrative path. These can be items like ebooks, online courses, templates, checklists, printables, or even software tools. The beauty of digital products is their high profit margins, as there are no inventory costs involved. Think about the problems your audience faces and how you can create a product that addresses these needs. By offering solutions, you not only monetize your blog, but also provide added value to your audience. By employing one or a combination of these methods, you can turn your blogging hobby into a profitable venture. Remember, it takes time and persistence, but with the right strategy tailored to your audience and content, the results can be incredibly rewarding. Happy blogging!